Hey, it's Alicia Lyttle. Did you see it? ChatGPT just released Task. In this video, I'm going to show you its latest update and what tasks are all about inside of ChatGPT. Let's go. ChatGPT just released Task today. It is Wednesday, January 15th. I'm going to show you how to use it. Are you ready? Let's jump in. So, I'm in my personal account right now, and you can see tasks right here in beta. I also want to show you that in settings, you can go to notifications, and in tasks, you have to check that you want to receive notifications in push and email. It's turned off right now. Turn it on. They're both defaulted to on, so that is good. All right, let's jump right into tasks. So remember, it's in beta, and they say lots is coming, but I just want to show you what's possible today. So when you click on tasks, you can see that I have some tasks that are already set up and a task that got completed. Let's look at the completed task just to get a sense of what it's capable of. All right. So I told ChatGPT to send me an update on AI news for today in 1 minute. So I would actually set this up for daily, and I can show you how to do that in a minute. I just wanted to get it really quickly to show you the example. So here is ChatGPT actually creating the task. And so get AI news today. So if we dig in a little bit deeper, we can see the name of the task right here. All I clicked on was the 3 dots. The instructions, tell me what happened in AI today, and I can give it better instructions. And then the schedule. Now, if I want this every morning at 5 a.m., which is how I'm going to set it up, then I would set it up as a daily task and whatever time it runs daily. Or if I want to have a custom schedule, I will tell ChatGPT do this every 3 weeks on a Tuesday as an example, and then that will be in the instructions. Now, if I want to delete the task, I have the option to delete it, or if it's too much, I can pause it and turn it back on later, okay? Basics of tasks. So ChatGPT says, got it, I'll send you an update in a minute. So after that, this is what happens. In my email, I get a message from ChatGPT that says task update from ChatGPT, today's top AI advancements. I click on view message, and it just opens up ChatGPT in the part where I assign the task, and then it gives me today's AI news. What? So of course, I would set this up for every morning, and then I can just click on it. And what ChatGPT is doing is it's running the task and giving me the output. So it's like my AI assistant doing the work for me. And then now I'm just checking my email every morning. So I could do something to like, send me an update of every time my company, AI Innovision, or my name, Alicia Lyttle, is mentioned in the news. And I get those updates every day. So, all right, I've got some great top AI news. And then I've got my sources, right? Remember, when it's searching the web, it'll give you the sources here on the right-hand side. And I'm excited about that. So what are some other things that we could use tasks for? Are you ready to dive a little bit deeper and explore some of the other use cases? So when ChatGPT, let's just look at those settings again. When ChatGPT runs its tasks for you, let's go back in settings. The notifications are to do a push or an email. A push is a desktop notification. And the first time you set up with ChatGPT to set up your task, it will ask you if you want to set up desktop notifications. If you click yes, a notification will then pop up to say allow, and you can allow it, and you'll just get a desktop notification that your task is ready. And just like how it went to email, it'll go to your desktop, you click on it, and it will open up that ChatGPT. So you need to stay logged into your ChatGPT account. Pretty easy to understand, right? So let's talk about some other things that you could do with it. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT has to say about scheduling tasks. So it just tells us in the general information how it's supported, and it is in beta, so it looks like it's not available to free members. So you should have a Plus Pro or Teams plan when accessing it. I've noticed that you can only do 10 tasks before it tells you can't do another, so you'll have to delete or pause one before you can do another one. So here's some things that it says, can you give me a briefing on AI news each afternoon? practice French with me daily, remind me about my mom's birthday. So that would be like a one-off reminder instead of a recurring task. We went through this. Click on your profile icon, click on the task. It'll pop up that way. And I'm just on ChatGPT's website right now with the updates. Here's some tasks that it says you could try out. So let's do the remind me about my mom's birthday, right? We can go to ChatGPT. Let me show you how to get to it. After you've done it once, you kind of set up task. You're going to say, all right, how do I get back here? So right where it says ChatGPT 4.0 in that drop-down menu, do you see where it says 4.0 is schedule task beta? So you're going to click on that. And then now you're just going to type in to the bar, like where you would usually type your prompts. And you're going to say, remind me about my mom's birthday and press enter. And then what day and time would you like to set the reminder? So let's say February 14th at 8 a.m. And then it'll say, okay, creating the task. So it says, remember mom's birthday. So the instructions tell me to remember my mom's birthday. Now I'm going to elaborate a little bit, which is February 25th. Now is a good time to order a gift, right? But I want this to repeat. So it's going to repeat annually. And I'm going to say, let's repeat it every February 14th at 9 a.m. to remind me. And then I'm going to click save. So now, why did it fail to save that task? Let me look. All right, so I couldn't get it to change it that way, but I said, can you remind me about this every year? And it changed it itself, annually, February 14th at 8 a.m. So there is the task. So if you try to change it within the task and you have trouble, just go back to ChatGPT and make the changes that way, and we see that work. Let me just try this. Can you change the time for the reminder to 9 a.m.? All right, we press go. I am talking to ChatGPT using a Chrome and Edge extension called Voice Chat. Let me just show you voicecontrol.chat. So if you want to talk to it the way I do, voicecontrol.chat, free Chrome extension, free Edge extension. That's why you see me hitting this microphone here and talking to it. So now it changed it to 9 a.m. So you can see all sorts of use cases for this. So it's going to send me an email or do a desktop notification to remind me of that. So really good for reminders, for something that would have to search and compile and give you, like the daily AI news is a good one for me, or looking to see every time, send me any mentions of my name or my brand that is new. So sort of like a Google Alerts. Google Alerts does that already, but you could set it up so ChatGPT would send it to you and different things like that. Anyway, check out Tasks for ChatGPT. And just remember, this is the worst it'll ever be. So we're expecting to see a lot of updates coming this month and next month. We know that AI agents and AI automations are the big thing for 2025. So we expect OpenAI to really go hard on things like this. So have fun playing with it. Bye for now. Tell me how you use it in the comments.